Tired of USB microphones that sound muffled or echo during gameplay? I analyzed 5 USB microphones for PS5 that actually deliver crystal clear audio. What I found about noise cancellation will prevent you from buying microphones that ruin your team communication. Here we go. Starting off at number 5, this one nails the essentials without overcomplicating your setup. We have the ZealSound USB condenser gaming mic. What stands out immediately is how straightforward this gets you into party chat. You plug it into your PS5 and you're ready to go. No drivers, no software, no messing around in settings menus. It just works. Picture this, you're mid-session, things get heated, and you need precise control over your mic sensitivity. There's a dedicated gain knob right on the unit. Turn it down when your room gets noisy. Dial it up when you need more pickup. It's that simple. And here's where it gets interesting. There's an LED mute indicator built in, so you'll never have that moment where you think you're muted, but you're actually broadcasting everything. The microphone uses a cardioid pickup pattern with a built-in noise-canceling chipset. That means it focuses on your voice from the front and reduces what's happening behind you. Your teammates hear you, not your roommate or the TV in the background. Now, this next feature is what separates it. There's a 3.5mm headphone jack for live monitoring with zero latency. You can hear exactly what you sound like in real time and adjust your monitoring level independently, so you're not guessing whether your audio is clean. The microphone rotates 360 degrees on its metal base, so you can position it exactly where you need it. Plus, it comes with adapters for iPhone and Type-C devices if you want to use it beyond your console. For someone getting into PS5 gaming who wants clear communication without a learning curve, this delivers exactly that. Keep in mind that it's a USB connection only, so you'll need an available port on your console. Link is in the description. Next up at number 4, this one brings studio-level recording to your PS5 setup without the studio price tag. We have the HyperX SoloCast. Here's what most people don't expect from a microphone at this level. It captures audio at 24-bit, 96 kHz. That's the same quality you'd find in professional recording environments. For PS5 party chat and streaming, that means every word comes through with clarity and detail that standard USB mics simply can't match. Your teammates aren't straining to understand you. The connection is USB-C, so it plugs directly into your console and works immediately. No configuration needed. But what makes this different is how you interact with it during gameplay. Instead of fumbling for a button or switch, you tap the top of the mic to mute. The LED indicator changes color so you know your status instantly. It's intuitive, in a way that actually matters when you're in the middle of a heated match. The cardioid pattern handles what's in front of you and rejects everything else. Your voice stays clear and focused, while background noise gets filtered out naturally. No chipset marketing here, just proper directional pickup doing its job. And here's what sets it apart for desk setup. The stand is compact and flexible enough to fit under most monitors. If your gaming space is tight, you're not sacrificing valuable surface area. The whole thing swivels and adjusts to find the right angle for your voice. Plus, it comes with built-in threading for both 3/8" and 5/8" boom arms, so you can mount it on standard mic stands, if that's your preference. For someone who wants their voice to actually sound like them, not a compressed version filtered through standard chat protocols, this handles that. Worth noting that it's USB only, so you'll need an available port on your PS5. Links in the description. At number 3, this is where design meets performance in a way that actually matters. We have the Fifine AmpliGame USB gaming microphone. This earned an IF Design Award, which is globally recognized for functional design excellence. But awards aside, what that translates to is a microphone that captures audio at 192 kHz sampling rate. That's studio-grade detail. Your voice comes through naturally with all the subtle tones that make you sound like you. Not a compressed version fighting through standard chat compression. The cardioid pattern with 70 decibel signal-to-noise ratio does double duty here. It picks up your voice from the front with precision while actively reducing what's behind you, so your teammates hear clear communication, not your mechanical keyboard, or whatever's happening in your house. Here's what makes this different for actual gameplay. There's a quick mute button right on the unit. Tap it, and the RGB lighting shuts off immediately. That visual indicator means you'll never have that moment where you're muted and don't realize it. The gain knob sits right there too, so you can adjust your mic sensitivity on the fly without diving into system settings or software menus. Now, about that RGB, it cycles through 7 gradient colors automatically. If you've got a setup with lighting, this matches that vibe without being overkill. And if you prefer something more subtle, there are fixed light modes you can set. It's customizable without needing separate software. What's even better is what comes in the box. You get a shock mount with 4 rubber bands that absorbs vibration from desk movement, keyboard taps, mouse clicks. There's a detachable pop filter that handles plosives when you get excited during intense moments. The tripod stand has rubber feet and an adjustable thumb screw so you can position it exactly where your voice projects best. It plugs straight into your PS5 and works immediately. No drivers, no configuration. The USB cable is 6.6 feet long and detachable, so even if your console is under your desk or across your setup, you've got the reach. For someone who wants their setup to look as good as it sounds and needs reliable communication without complicated setup, this handles both sides of that equation. Just keep in mind, it's USB only, so you'll need an available port. Links in the description. These products are great, but there are hundreds of deals every day, and most of them are trash. That's why I pick the 5 best from each category every day and post them for free on Telegram. And you can choose only the categories that interest you, with zero spam. Link in the description. Next up at number 2, this one does something the others can't. We have the Maono PD100XS gaming microphone kit. Unlike what we've seen so far, this gives you both USB and XLR connectivity. That means you can plug straight into your PS5 and start talking, or run it through an audio interface or mixer when you want more control. It's flexibility most gaming mics don't offer. The audio captures at 24-bit, 48 kHz sampling rate. But here's what makes that different. Maono claims 50% more sound detail compared to standard 16-bit mics. Your voice comes through with nuances that typical USB mics compress out. Every inflection, every tone stays intact. Now here's where it gets practical. There's a 2-in-1 smart knob on the unit. One knob controls both gain and monitoring volume, with different colored LED indicators so you know which mode you're adjusting. No guessing, no menu diving. During gameplay, you twist it, and your audio responds immediately. The noise cancellation runs on 2 levels. There's a customized dynamic microphone cord that rejects ambient noise physically. Then the Maono Link software adds algorithmic noise reduction you can adjust to match your environment. So whether your room is quiet or chaotic, you're controlling what your teammates hear. The tap to mute function sits right on top. One touch silences you instantly. The RGB lighting shuts off when you're muted, so there's immediate visual confirmation. No accidents, no embarrassing moments. What really matters here is versatility. You're getting studio-style XLR capability with plug-and-play USB convenience in one package. For someone who wants room to grow their setup without replacing gear, this handles both entry-level and advanced use. Worth noting, it works with PS4 and PS5, but not Xbox. Links in the description. Before we reveal our number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on each of these items. And finally, number 1. This is where versatility changes everything. We have the HyperX QuadCast S RGB USB microphone. Here's what sets this apart from everything else on this list. 4 selectable polar patterns: stereo, omnidirectional, cardioid, bidirectional. That means you're not locked into one pickup style. Recording solo commentary? Switch to cardioid and focus on your voice. Playing co-op with someone next to you? Bidirectional captures both of you equally. Streaming with friends in the room? Omnidirectional picks up the whole space. Need immersive spatial audio for content creation? Stereo handles that. You adapt the mic to your exact situation, instead of working around limitations. Now, about the tap to mute sensor. You're not searching for a button during gameplay. Tap the top and the LED indicator goes dark immediately. If the light is on, you're nighttime. If it's off, you're muted. No guessing, no accidents. The built-in anti-vibration shock mount uses elastic rope suspension that isolates the mic from desk bumps, keyboard strikes, controller vibration. Your teammates hear your voice, not the physical noise of your setup moving around. The gain control dial sits at the bottom of the unit. Turn it to adjust mic sensitivity in real time, without software. Plus, there's a headphone jack for zero latency monitoring, so you hear exactly what you sound like as you're speaking. It's certified by Discord and TeamSpeak, and works across Streamlabs, OBS, OBS Studio, and XSplit. Plug it into your PS5 and it works immediately. The USB-C to USB-A cable is nearly 10 feet long, so placement isn't restricted by cable length. For someone who needs their microphone to match different recording scenarios without switching gear, this handles that range. Keep in mind, you'll need HyperX Ingenuity software to customize the RGB effects beyond the default lighting. Links in the description. Now you know exactly which microphones deliver crystal clear PS5 communication without the muffled audio that ruins team coordination. For simple setup, go with number 5. For multiple recording scenarios, number 1 with 4 polar patterns. For future-proofing with XLR, check number 2. Gaming peripheral prices spike during new console releases, so check the links in the description now.